Everyone is telling us different things. Absolute chaos.
Oh my goodness.
Not a normal week. So many things being carried on heads. Good morning from Santiago Atitlán. So we just spent the morning in San Pedro, actually, seeing this beautiful procession through the streets into the church. All these women and men carrying fruit and different
Decorations
things.
For the church.
Yeah, they're decorating the church with all this fruit.
They make like a whole whoopty about it.
A huge ruckus.
It's so awesome.
Yeah, and so today, though, we're going to explore a little bit of Santiago.
Also some kind of
Semana Santa procession here. We're trying to figure that out. We think it started like 7 minutes ago, so we're on the way.
We're figuring it out.
We're figuring it out. And Grace's brother is here from California. Hola, Garrett.
Hola.
So he's here with us for the next
10 days.
Yeah, next 10 days or so. We're gonna explore around Lake Atitlán with him. All right, vamos.
Vamos.
To preface this video, it is 10 a.m. So things are still waking up over here in Santiago, and there's no gracias. There's a lot of things closed for Semana Santa, so we're trying to just figure it out. Not a normal week. This is a very big deal here in Guatemala. If you don't know, Semana Santa is Holy Week for their Easter traditions. And with it being a Catholic nation mixed with a lot of Mayan traditions as well, it kind of blends so far what we've seen pretty beautifully, and we are excited to show off a little bit more. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Little tidbit for you. Look at these bags.
Muy bonita. Hola.
Hola.
Ah.
Grace needs some traditional overalls for sure.
Está bien bonito, mírate el largo.
Sí.
By the balcony.
I thought you were right on it.
I have that immediately.
So pretty, so much pretty clothing. Hola.
Buenos días.
Andrea part 2. Trying to find the procession. Wow. Oh my gosh. Hola, buenos días. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, see? Well, regresar. Let's come back. Wow. So many adorable, amazing little cafes around here. Sorry if there's a glare. Dropped the GoPro, so there's a crack on the screen protector. But we're on the way. We're heading towards the park now. After asking multiple people for different directions, we're trying to find the procession and going through some beautiful streets, but everyone is telling us different things.
So we're just gonna go to the park.
We're going to the park. That's the last information we were told. Couple minute walk away. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. I don't even know if you can see that. I know. Like,
So pretty.
everything's pretty. Hola, hola. absolute chaos. Okay. We're at the park. Okay, I think we missed the procession, so we're heading back to a cafe right now. But I'm walking through the market now. It's pretty crazy, but super fun. So many flowers, so many colors, so many things being carried on heads. But it's really cool. Super pretty.
This?
The yellow one.
Ah.
But both. See?
Lunch was so good.
It was delicious.
Absolutely. It was more like brunch. Grace, Grace got a burrito.
Too filling. It was too big.
I had to finish it. And then
What a problem for him, right?
I got the traditional breakfast. It was incredible. And Gary, what did you get? You also got the like a traditional breakfast, but it was
And
perfect.
it comes with coffee. And mine had that giant lemonade.
Yeah, massive coffee. So it's perfect. I'll put the name down here at the bottom of the screen. It's not even on Google Maps, but I'll leave the location in the description. Yeah, you can get coconuts right here. Fresh coconut. Fish, veggies, fruit, herbs, shoes, hats, everything. Medicine, beautiful textiles, and toys for the niños. Tons of respect to these guys and these women that are in this market every day. Heavy bags and craziness. Making tortillas. Tortillas. All over, there's places to get snacks, places to get coffee, places to get beer, women making tortillas, sombreros, loofahs. What are those called actually? Not loofahs.
Loofahs.
Oh yeah, loofahs. Yeah.
They use like sponges.
So much bread everywhere. Can't get enough of it. I don't know where Garrett went. Such a beautiful park, live music going on. Wow, big church. Amazing.
Amazing. Founded in 1547.
That's what it looks like. 1547, this church was
Oh my goodness.
the Iglesia Parroquial. That's such a hard word.
I can't roll my R's and there's two of them.
Yeah. Founded 1547. They're doing something for Semana Santa over there with a bunch of plants. I don't know.
Incredible.
Amazing. We're gonna check out the inside. Getting ready for more Semana Santa. Wow. What do you think, babe?
Oh, I think it is
Great.
incredible. It's just a place of worship and
Yeah.
it is remarkable.
It's just super authentic. I mean,
Yes.
we've been into a lot of cathedrals.
Mhm.
I mean,
Yes.
this is just like,
Crazy.
I don't know, everyone's happy, everyone's smiling and waving at us, and the view, I mean, out
There's
those,
a volcano right
yeah.
outside the door.
literally surrounded by volcanoes. Like, I know, it's so pretty. It's just, they decorate the fruit here for Semana Santa, like everywhere. Let us know if you know what drinks those were. I was trying to ask the guys, but they didn't really want to talk to me. So
It looks yummy.
yeah, it looked super yummy.
Gracias.
The market was crazy. A lot of people didn't want to be filmed at this market, which that's why I try to, as much as I can, ask people, ask the ladies who are making the tortillas if it's okay we film. And a lot of them didn't want to be filmed, and we want to respect that. So
They're working, so we understand that they don't want to entertain us.
Yeah.
It's totally okay. So if you want to see it, you have to come in person.
yeah, if some of this footage is a little choppy, that's why we are trying to respect as many people as possible. But
It is
look
so
at-
gorgeous.
It is
here.
so freaking pretty.
And beyond not wanting to be filmed, they are so friendly.
Yeah.
They're just so friendly, as everyone else is.
Yeah, and the amount of tourists that come here that just shove cameras in people's faces,
Yeah.
we're not trying to be those people.
Exactly.
So what we're trying to do is just showcase the beauty.
Mindful, very genuine.
There we go, yeah.
Very
Trying to be very mindful of everyone's feelings and
Cultures
privacy.
and communities. That's got San Marcos written all over it, doesn't
Yeah.
it? Amazing. That is a perfect beer, in case you're wondering. Get crazy.
Salud, amigos. Familia. Salud.
Salud. Okay, absolutely amazing little spot.
So cute.
We actually wanted to go to the spot next door, but they had a huge party coming in and said they couldn't accommodate us. So we came here, and it is absolutely adorable.
It's so
super
cute.
colorful. Had a couple drinks. It's called
Cafe Luna Azul. Which
Cafe
means
Luna
the
Azul.
Blue moon, right?
Yeah, exactly.
I'm learning.
So we're gonna head back to San Pedro, but that's kind of probably wrapping up our little Santiago first look. Fortunately, we couldn't see that procession this morning. There's so many things going on for Semana Santa, and then just factor in traveling to a different town by boat.
Yes.
So we're gonna try to hit as many different spots as we can during Semana Santa week, but if not, we're just going to still show off the beauty and the culture and the amazingness of Guatemala. So
And as you can see, the market is one of the most incredible parts of this town. It was incredible.
please like, share, comment, subscribe. Do a little coffee or chocolate thing.
Tour.
We're gonna see.
Stay tuned.
But yeah, enjoy. See you soon.
See you soon.
Thanks for being here.
Bye.